어라? 우리 이쁜 지후 어라? Just then, the frogs began to croak in the pond. Beautiful, said the head servant. Now I hear it. The song of the nightingale is like an angel. A song of an angel. Oh, no, answered the maid. Those are only the frogs you hear. 이쁜이. The group followed the little girl and my father into the forest. Suddenly, the maid stopped and pointed to the lower branch of a tree. On it sat a small gray bird. Can this be the nightingale? Asked the servant. It is so dull looking. It has no bright feathers at all. 안 예쁘대. 나이팅게일 안 예쁘게 생겼구만. The kitchen maid called to the nightingale. The king wishes you to sing for him, she said. 그랬대. With pleasure. 오, 새가 말도 해. With pleasure. 새가 말도 해. Answered the bird. Then he opened his mouth and sang the most beautiful song that the members of the court had ever heard. Ooh, ooh, ooh. When the song was finished, the people did not say a word. 오, 할 말을 잃었대. 할 말을 잃을 정도로 아름다웠나 봐요. Should I sing another song for the king? Asked the little bird, who thought the king was in the group. 오. 아이고. My dear Nightingale, answered the king's servant, you're invited to a court festival tonight. There you shall sing for your king. My song sounds best in the green forest, said the nightingale, but I am willing to come to the court since it is the king's wish. 초대됐어. 이제 파티에 가나봐. 나이팅게일이 쉬운데? 왕이 초대한 파티에 갈 거예요. 지우야. 쭈쭈쭈쭈쭈. That evening, the castle looked more beautiful than ever. Thousands of lamps were shining in every room. The loveliest flowers from the garden had been placed in costly vases. Their silver bells tinkled softly in the main hall. 운전을 예쁘게 비싸게 다 장식을 해놨대. 지우야, 이렇게 더운 배를 까고 있을 거야? 우리 지우 되게 날씬하네. 너 아까 다 안 먹고 남겼다며. 왜 그랬죠? 응? 졸렸죠? 그럼 안 되는데. 엄마가 주면 다 먹는데. 왜 아빠가 주면 남겨? 왜 그래? 왜 카메라가 좋아? 네, 엄마 좋아요. In the middle of the great room, on a high golden throne, sat the king. 왕이 왕관 이따만한 거 쓰고 앉아 있어요, 아주. And before him stood a golden perch where the nightingale was sitting. 이렇게 앉아 있었대, 나이팅게일이. 다 금박 하나 봐, 금박. 어딨어? All the people of the court were there, and so was the little kitchen maid. Everyone was looking at the little gray bird. 주야,